Baya, the Israel Bible. Any Bugatti, Yanama, the people, Asatia Sama, Mami, Nayana. They say, Ugusa, La Pompa. They say, the President of the Mind. That is 60 Galamai, the Kalina, Yamu, Seven, Yamucha, Zamia, Gazatini, the Papa Latini, the Papa or woman, Latini, the Mami, the Suya Santina Santama, the 2-4, Mami, the Buyer, the South, the Buyer.
The tradition, the Ghanaian tradition must not be belittled. I think most of you have heard that I'm a traditionalist. I believe in tradition. Our governance, I've also said, must be Ghana-centered. Maybe we might want to restructure our system of governance to bring back the chiefs into participating in planning, which is what I've said openly. So this is what we stand for. So I really appreciate the culture that we have. This is why I'm here. It's a book say, Makase, Yeba, regions ni na yebe empower one. Yebe empower no one jina one kasa or naso. So what you say. Now why your management, what tax structures, what development will be focused with the help of the cabinet, the presidency. A hot necessary yes. Now senior yebe temo say youth migration to Accra and other cities, you know, a subecha. Because Osha region bia bibi wo ho yebe to be developer. And we tell because government instead of the sovereign guarantee bema foreigners on fa guarantee no Ghanaians and now say government nakasa go gina mu on loan no be 60 factories no see we are na see etua we are loan no say wo mutua we are on that factory no Ghanaians Ghana for na ejuma on farmer non formal public private partnerships na Ghanaians nakasa own factory no with the partnership of the government. Now say, you know, in fact, my example because the government could have 40%. Now so the employees also 40% come 20% will be me flow to on the stock exchange. No be so any biafa. And when they say I na Ghana and Kasa man also. Them to be Gina Hoda for 60 years, they in train. Abrofo and now Chinese and be develop my near to work train. That be as I said Ghanaians no they sorry. Now ya Kasa you fight into my first you beat me out. Because Osha Obroni no ba sabi. Ghanaians the year juma hojina anambeboa. Yes. Osha oba Chinese 1 or 2 people in a top level here just ometo. Enti na just Ghana for ne betumi aye juma lampa. Enti mumen somu na Ghana for kasa yen take responsibility say ye betumi ayo. Enti be the Ghana for this say ye betumi ayo. Enti be buy eno na Jezembeka. 2021 December 7 year bay. Moshe na motomaye na peace in Ghana. Se sa eba be sure se sa de mani na etubetwa.
Samio, yes, I pray.